in the European Commission, one of the things that they pointed out was that they want Google to show Bing results in Google specifically.
SEOscience.com.
Google, Apple, I can't remember what the last company is, but they're currently going through a lawsuit with the European Union and European Commission in regards to monopolizing certain features. So I think for Apple, it's Google their App Store and only allowing a certain apps to appear on it and like taking the cut of the money.
Yeah.
But for when it comes to Google, what they are getting hit for basically by European Union is that they are monopolizing search, which obviously there is only really one big competitor, which is Microsoft with Bing. Bing has AI integrated already into it, which Google doesn't. I wonder how that's going to affect the future of both the companies. Is Google going to now penalize AI content that they produce? Is that going to be a thing? Because obviously that would seem counterintuitive for their business model. And in the European Commission, one of the things that they pointed out was that they want Google to show Bing results in Google specifically. That was one of the things that they want, which is interesting because obviously that's saying like, okay, so you have to show like certain Bing results now. Because of it, otherwise I'm guessing they just treat it as no indexed in a similar vein.
Yeah.
So that'd be interesting to see, and we're seeing if the commission can swing them.